But this week we got a very, very special guest inside the studio with us this evening. They're reigning right here in London. It's not a dancehall group, so to speak, because there's a lot of dancehall on this channel. But this evening we got a special guest. They go by the name of PC Boys, straight out of London. Welcome to the show, brothers.
Yeah.
Did I get the name right?
Yeah, right.
It's PC Boys, yes?
Yeah.
I was a bit nervous to see if I was saying it right.
No, PC Boys.
Yeah, well, welcome to Flames, brothers. And what kind of group are you guys? What genre of music do you do? Did you do hip hop or R&B, or is it just rap music?
Man's kind of versatile still, so the man's got different type of music. Obviously, we're Jamaican, innit? We grew up with a Jamaican background,
See?
so we got certain tunes like that. That's where our initial influence comes from, innit? But we're in London, so we're with the London stuff. Kind of that.
But
everything really, but mainly hip hop kind of side, UK hip hop ish.
Yeah, because I've listened to a couple of your records, and most of your records are hip hop based, and I've seen one of your videos. It's very, very, very interesting. The latest video that you've done. I like that one. Yeah, that one's it's telling me a story, and I like it. Yeah. Is it that one with that girl?
Yeah. That's the latest one.
Yeah, she's. Can you just refresh me that story? Because she's like, I don't know if you're saying that she's a pass run girl or what are you gonna say?
Well, it's his concept, so he can explain it.
Yeah, basically it's just a girl that obviously that she's a cheater. Basically, you get me? And obviously man's doing their thing, so it's like don't lie to me, just tell me the truth, innit? But she's just lying.
Okay.
She's being a wrongers.
She's just being a ruggers.
Yeah. You get me?
I like what you said. She's just being a ruggers.
Yeah.
But the video is a very good video, and I like the concept of it, and I like you guys telling a story, not just of some pretty girls shaking. Which I like seeing the pretty girls shaking. Don't get me wrong. But yeah, there's a story behind it.
Yeah.
But are you guys brothers, or is it just musical brothers?
Nah, well obviously we grew up together. I've known him for years. We're not blood family, but that's my family.
Okay. And so who started the group? Whose idea was it to start the group? Because normally in the modern era, people like to go solo. Yeah, I'm the man. Why did you guys decide to make it a group?
To be honest, it just by default it ended up like that, innit? Because we grew up together.
I was on him to rap.
Yeah.
He's more of a producer. I do producing.
Okay.
I wasn't rapping.
Now you get to me, because normally it's always like that. There's always one has the creative edge into the studio side of it, things, and one who's on the beat until like the rapper.
He was the lyricist, like he did bars, like. I saw that in him. I said, listen, you need to rap. But he wasn't really on it too tough till later on in life. You understand? So then we just woke up one day and just said, listen, can we just do this thing?
How long you been doing it?
Only a little bit, innit? We stopped.
Obviously, we've been recording for long, innit?
Yeah.
But lately, man's kind
taking
of
it serious,
like proper pursuing music and doing all the right things, and you know what I mean. But before, obviously, he got onto me to make music when I was about 13, 14, something like that.
Yeah.
So from I was in school, innit? But he's always had his decks and things like that. So I'll go to his house and record and that. Yeah. You know, back in the day, we got the earphone for a microphone. We got the sock over the hairphone, and you get me. From that, man had the thing in his hostel and that.
Proper under ends.
Yeah. Where we're from 14th, innit? So everyone kind of knows each other, kind of thing. So
it's not really a big.
Yeah. So where his hostel was, it's like the middle of Croydon, innit? So everyone will come to his house and that and record and that. And you get me?
But it's funny you said that you grew up in the UK, right? So you know how the scene is. Because when I just got into England, maybe about 9 years ago, there was a strong feud between like the different areas into the rap scene. So North didn't mess with South didn't mess with East.
Yeah, definitely.
But no, I'm not saying it's not still there, but to me, it doesn't. It's not so much of a big deal anymore.
Yeah.
No, I think everyone's paid attention to the money. To be honest.
Yeah.
So money brings people together sometimes. So sometimes you gotta forget the BS and just say raw, like. And then what it is now, the UK's in a place where we're in a strong place, isn't it? Like the whole world is kind of watching us. So like my man was talking about Europe and all of that. They love the culture. You get me? Americans are paying a lot of attention now. So for the fact that they're doing all of that and everyone's over here and they're like, right, you know what? If we join together, then we can get this done and that done. You get me? So yeah, I think that plays a big part in it. But it's all love anyway. As long as you got a clean heart, then everyone's got clean hearts. You can work with someone. You get me?
Because the UK is getting a lot of buzz, and I realize that there's quite a, and this is what I like with the UK scene at the moment. Yeah. It's not just one person is getting the break. Yeah. It's a whole bunch, a whole movement. Because you got some artists I've never heard anything before, and their songs playing on mainstream radio. And a random guy lives on my side, and his song is on the charts. And I like that.
It's a good.
Something happened. My guess, I don't want to sound, as I say, I'm just saying what I see. A couple of years ago, I know people might not agree with me, but when Drake came here, and when he was on his top and he was doing his thing, he brought in a lot of UK art. Not saying that he's better than them, but he shined the light on a lot of them. So, and then people kind of like, oh, this guy Gigs, who's this Gigs? Because Gigs been around for time still, but it's like the younger generation, other than in England, didn't really know about Gigs. My area, my community where I was in Jamaica, didn't know about Gigs.
Well, they know about him now,
When I went back to Jamaica like 4 years ago, my friend looking at me and like, what's this? What was that? Well, I'm like, blood, how you know this song?
I love hearing things like that. I love that.
And then this is why I say that he was kind of responsible in a sense where to bring forward. But there's a lot of people doing it right now.
But you know what, a lot of people are only looking in now, but from like years ago, Drake will come and he'll big up bare man, like proper underground man, like certain people have like, I don't know, you'd expect them to have millions of views for Drake to notice them, but if Drake likes something, just from what I've noticed in it from the media, that if he likes something, he'll mess with it. You get me? And I hear him bigging up like proper local people. People you're walking down the road, like, yo brother, what going? Like, he's bigging them up and bringing them on stage and doing all of these things. So you get me? I like it, man. And then because he done that, all them Americans are paying attention.
I pay attention now, and then it's like, what's going on in the UK? And then there's a lot of things, because there's a lot of people doing it now. And in terms of your music as well, it fits into that that core group that's coming up now. That's new generation. That so that's the market I see your music going towards, and I think it's going in a good direction. And it can only go, and it can only move to greater things. But for you, who been into the UK scene, how do you find your music getting played on the mainstream? Because I know this is a bit tricky side. Do you find a hassle to get it played onto the big guys?
Alright, what it is now, with us, like I said, man's been rapping from before, innit? But then around 2014, man started to do it proper, you get me? And then like bare people that are bust in 14, man was rapping with them and doing things with them. But obviously, at the time, man weren't living the best positive life or whatever, you get me? So man kind of got jammed up in a situation, so I had to take a break. I didn't really have a choice, you get me? So I had to take a break from it. And then, like, let's say, like about a little while after, the man come back out, and then then he's like, well, get back on it, you get me? But I was kind of like, I'm in this and I'm in that. You know what I mean? They don't mix, but I just said, right, I got to sort my stuff out. So I sorted myself out, and man's just focused now, you get me? 100% focused, like. So that's what it is. So, and then, like you said, I swerved a bit. Like you said about the about mainstream now. Now man's just coming back. Man's getting love from people like you, so you get me? Like, man's just come back, man's only put out one thing so far, you get me? And man's getting love. Man got herself hair or whatever. And big up the manager as well, big up Littles,
she's persistent.
She's very persistent. You need someone like that.
We like that.
Honesty.
What do you see happening for you for 2018? Anything new coming out for you guys?
2018, we got a lot of things popping.
Work hard, man.
Yeah, man. We got a lot of things popping. But man's in the studio constantly, and man make bangers every time man's in the studio. It's like, it's natural, it just happens. It's bangers all the time, you get me? And man's filming videos, we shoot bare videos and kind of put them down. You gotta be strategic with how you drop your stuff, and you know what I mean. So
definitely,
we've been working hard. So like towards the end of last year, I was just putting in bare work and filming things, and and like recording and just trying to stay on the ball. You get me?
Behind the scenes.
Yeah. So this year now, man, just got a lot of material there ready to drop. Man, just gotta get the marketing side right to put it with the talent. Remember, like you said earlier, like certain artists got the talent, but then they might not necessarily market their songs.
Market themselves the right way.
Yeah. So man's getting the marketing side right. This is not man's background, so man's learning everything.
You learn it as you go.
You get me? So yeah, man.
But that's good when you learn as you go. Sometimes it can cost you.
Yeah.
When you learn as you go, it costs you financially because you have to pay.
Yeah, exactly.
But then I say this to every artist: every dollar you spend on yourself, on your brand, is the best investment you can ever make.
Yeah.
And I can tell an artist this: it's better if you have a song, if you have a video. Not saying that you shouldn't put it on other platforms for it to get noticed, but always have your own platform
as well. Yeah.
So even if there's only one person watching it, that anything you get from that one view is going to you. There's no middleman. You have to break it down. This is what the problem we have as artists. Everybody want to get signed. You don't know when you get signed. When the check comes in, he takes peace. Nothing is wrong with that. But all I'm saying is that whatever you're doing, have something in that's coming to you, generic to you. This is why the all these corporations, they don't like the new movement of the music, because the social media is cutting out the middleman. Because I can directly DM Christopher Ellis and say, Christopher Ellis, I want you to be in my track. I don't have to get this person to say, all right, go leave Chris for me. So that's what the music is. And for 2018, where do you see yourself working with anybody else, or are you just going to be doing yourself independent music by yourself?
To be honest, it's all got to be, what's the word, organic or authentic. It has to happen naturally, innit? You know what I mean? Because there's a lot of like people are bougie. You know what I mean by bougie? Everyone's stuck up on bougie. So I'm not really trying to jump on the next man thing and run man down or whatever. You get me? Like, so that's what it is. You get me? Like, we're doing us, and if I feel your music and I feel your vibe and I feel you as a person. Man.
Another question. What's the PC stand for, boys? What's PC stand for, boys?
There's different things, but obviously initially it started for pound coin boys, isn't it? Because me and him got two big F-off chains, like with pound coins. Yeah, so that's what it was. But really and truly now it's more like Power Circle, isn't it? Because we join ventures with certain man and so it's like Power Circle. We put on events on the thing called. And we got this company called Party Cartel. Where we put events as PCs, loads of different things. You get me? As well. You get me?
So you say you got new materials coming out for this year, and you also had a brand new spanking video. It's on Link Up TV as well. I've seen that one. That one's doing very good. If people want listening this now or watching you online, how can they find you or find your music?
You can find us on Spotify, Apple Music, all them big digital outlets. So we got things on there. SoundCloud has got more things on there though, more like older things or whatever. So it's on there. YouTube, there's loads of man's got loads of videos on YouTube.
Okay. So, is it where you guys working on the same Instagram, the same social media page, right?
No, we got one main one. We got individual ones.
What's your individual one? You want to plug that as well?
Mine was FB_PC boys.
And mine's rated R_PC boys.
That's right.
And then the PC.
And then we got the one for like the whole thing, you get me, which is PC Entertainment, so PC.entertainment. But really and truly, type in PC Boys or PC Entertainment anywhere, all three of us will come up, all three of them will come up.
Wicked. Alright, so there you had the PC Boys. They're here inside Flames Radio Studio. This is the Upnlive show, and everybody comes into the set. This is what happens, this is what we do. You can't come and it doesn't happen, alright? So PC Boy is going to be live right now onto Flames Radio. If you're listening right now, wherever you are, turn your radios up. It's freestyle time right here on the 1s and 2. Ready?
Say just stuck it over, you know. I wasn't expecting that. Come on, she's out my catalogue. Tell me something. Go on. Mona Lisa. me wanna buy a camera just so I could take your picture, and I could put you on my Insta, Mona Lisa, Mona Lisa. You made me wanna buy a camera just so I could take your picture, and I could put you on my Insta. Yo, I ain't the maddest one in the room. I'm known to hold my head and be cool. But if she told me he disrespect you, I'll go and get my just for you. Yeah, you might bring out the angel in me, or I might bring out the bad girl in you. I'll buy you Louis or Jimmy Choo's. It's your choice, you gotta choose. Come my girl, you're hot like peri peri. I'm not just one, I mean 3 chilies. Ever on the radio or someone on the telly. No more fog life like Machiavelli. I feel like you should leave with me. Jump in my car, hit the streets with me, or come back to my bed and have a dream with me. Girl, I'm trying to make it all weak for me, Mona Lisa. Yeah, Mona Lisa. Position, all up your head and cock up your bottom. You look strong, tell me if I'm wrong. For feeling like a first sight, I'm in love. I wanna feel your hands on me. I really feel you should make plans with me. We can have dinner on the balcony, or hit a nightclub for the gang to see. I'm a sucker for beauty, I've been here before, so I'm really hoping that you're not up. And you ain't down for no pay as you go. Pay as you pay as you pay as you go. Hey, don't be heartless. Yo, you make me so solid, I can see in your eyes that you want it, and I can feel your body calling, yeah.
That was BC Boys. I should have referred to you as rated. Rated R, yeah?
Yeah, thank you for that.
Wicked. That was playing. But you know what, people? When you watch the video, make sure you comment under the video. If it's hot, if it's not, you gotta let us know, right?
Yeah,
we need to know.
Nice.
And everyone, one last time where we can find you on the social media is at
rated R _PC Boys.
FB _PC Boys.